coming for you. What are you doing to my tower? I mean, your tower that you built for me. Smack that. Get on the floor. Smack that. So this is the beautiful fridge tower created out of love for me. I'm talking because I'm recording. I'm recording bits and pieces to put on our lovely YouTube channel. You know, like, subscribe, comment, maybe share your credit card info. You know. What? Was that copyrighted? Other jingles from other YouTube channels? I look really gross today, but it's okay.
Stop.
Can I please spawn things? Where did I put that?
Okay, I'm done. Wait, I'm not done yet.
What was that bloop?
Alright. It's done.
What was the bloop? Oh, there's somebody watching. Oh my god. That's what the bloop means. Holy shit, there's people watching.
That was a gmod.
No, people. But still, there are more people watching.
Me and one other person.
How do I view who's watching? I don't understand that.
Squidward Tortuga. Hello, Squidward Tortuga.
Oh, I think that's soy. That's totally soyer. That's gotta be.
Alright, are you ready for the tower? Are you ready for this?
What? If there's a child, there's a child on my head. Not really. She's 20.
Can you be a resident? Felicia.
Huh?
Felicia, put that away.
What? I can't have my.
No, since you got
I'm being sentenced to.
Yeah. I'm like, didn't you transfer?
You know I have trouble jumping.
Yeah, some difficulties.
I kind of figured because she was like, I'm pretty sure you can't.
Yes.
Transferred. And I was like, I'm sure you.
I can't do this.
And I'm like, I know I see a puppy hair. I know it's not another tenant. Stop. I hope not.
Marquita, you're being streamed to the live internet right now.
Huh?
You're being streamed to the live internet.
Whoa, I don't do no internet. Put my hair down. I was a hot man.
What do you do? What?
One.
I can't have.
No, because
What? I'm having trouble.
So is it like the internet, like YouTube or something?
I'm gonna probably upload this to YouTube.
Right now it's just switching.
It's just.
So it's live streaming.
I can't handle this, Anissa.
You just did it.
I'm gonna have to fly up there. Where am I?
You fake gamer.
Oh! I'm not a fake gamer.
Am I sitting?
Yeah, hello?
Am I?
But I have to have stuff.
I forgot I'm a fucking
We
skeleton.
have SGA tomorrow. You're ready for the first day? It's gonna be yeah, this should be a short meeting because there you go. Your tower.
I deserve this.
Yeah.
I deserve
that
this.
tomorrow.
When is it?
September 26th, Caitlin said.
Okay.
If y'all
Where is it?
not to kick y'all out of my room, but like people watching.
You didn't tell
People
me
have
she was here,
people
so I'm
people
up with her.
We have a living room.
You're right. I guess that's
Fine. You hate me so much.
I have my room too.
I can't even.
It's not air conditioners. Yeah, I know.
Oh my god.
There you go. Have it right there.
I'm very happy about my tower. I couldn't even hear myself think. I love them, but not behind my head. I love my tower and all, but is it like?
How do you save this for later?
Can I like?
How do you save it?
Can I like duplicate it?
Yes.
Dupes. Duplicate. Right click. I don't really save, dude. That's what I do. Haha, I have a refrigerator now. Now I can do other stuff like... That's not what I wanted. I wanted to make the roller coaster. That's still... No.
Okay, it's gonna crash. Can I get rid of my thing?
I don't want to.
My game totally just froze.
Let me clean up. Thanks.
Did you just get rid of my...
Yep.
Okay, well, what did we have earlier? The fucking snakes?
Yeah. Did you save that? Did I save
I
that?
saved it. Did we both get one, or is that
Oh
just...
yeah, I saved it. Wait, get rid of the other one. Oh, that is one. You're taking my snake.
Yeah! I'm a snake. This is great. Quality content for the YouTube, the Twitch, maybe even the Pornhub, who knows. What if I just... I want to do the fireworks. Can I not make things while I'm... Okay.
Get rid of your snake. Get rid of your snake. This is how you crash the server.
If I crash the server, do I win?
Wait, I got a connection problem.
I'm frozen.
Yeah, I have a connection problem, that's why.
That's great. I think we're just frozen. Technical difficulties. Oh wait, I'm here. Like, probably. This is quality fucking content. Using props and shit that people have made. Because I have
And
fucking...
look, you can pick these up and make more.
Ooh, it's spray paint.
Yeah.
Write profanity in the sky. You're that talented? Was that a dick? No, not quite.
How do I want one!
Make your own damn fireworks. Eat.
I'm writing it.
Why is that one so demented?
I did. I wrote it.
There were 3 people watching, but maybe the chatter in the background scared off the other person.
I think that was you.
Me? Viewing my own channel?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't understand Twitch. Here, have a melon. Have a melon. My watermelon!
You have a problem.
Speaking of problems, Anissa, look at my cup.
Get mine.
As I dribble it down my face. I sort of taste it. Not really. It smells like fucking orange. Can we have the train run this over?
From what over?
My melons that you deleted.
No. They're in crates.
You just want attention. I still don't know how to view who's viewing me. Oh, there it is. Oh. I think there was somebody else before, but I don't know if I can view a history. I don't understand. Which is a mystery, and no, I'm not asking Eric how to work it. Anissa, shout out.
What?
Make a shout out to the world.
Follow me on Twitch, Socksgirl2324. Friend me on Steam, Socksgirl2324. That's all I have.
But you don't do anything on Twitch. It's just you doing the same stuff I'm doing. So follow me instead.
Add me on Snapchat. And I am thinking, oh yeah. What are you doing?
I'm gonna blow up some melons. Did you not die? Can you die? Why are you following on this stupid fish? The OG. This chair is so uncomfortable. Why is my desk like a foot below my head? I don't understand. I'm blind. Yeet! Did it throw? Wait, you threw me!
Yeah.
Can you launch me into space again?
Where are you?
I don't know, you threw me. How the fuck am I supposed to know where I am? Look how many props I had.
Where are you?
I don't know. Gonna spam my Tumblr followers, that's what I'm gonna do.
Oh, follow me on Tumblr, FlandisGirl20. Nope, FlandisGirl.tumblr.com. Oh yeah.
I don't even, actually I do follow you. You're the one who doesn't follow me. I'm looking at my face, so maybe I should fix my hair. Yeah, that's a good idea. Excuse me.
Oh.
Dupes. Let's see what we can get up in here. Super Death Hokey. The puck spins really fast and sort of hovers, making it easy to move with a gravity gun. That sounds dangerous.
Can you show me where you are?
I'm on the main map.
Where?
I don't
see you.
Here, have a tank.
Oh, this is.
Can I get into the tank?
No.
Dan.
You're leaving?
Already?
I'm sorry.
Bitch. You don't want to stay and watch us play stupid games? Like we do all the time? You should get this game. $10.
Wait.
Even her fake...
Thank you, Felicia's friend, for following me on Tumblr. You're great.
Can I not drive this tank?
I'll stay a little longer.
Oh.
No, I should be responsible.
Why do you have stuff to do?
Not really.
You should.
I mean, like homework stuff, yeah.
Do you really? Oops, I made
A little.
No, what you watch?
Yeet.
You should get this game.
What is it?
It's called Gary's Mod, and I don't know. You make your own world. It's like Minecraft. It's on Minecraft. It's like Minecraft on steroids, but better.
Here, come send this.
I think this came out before Minecraft.
Doesn't it cost money though? I'm poor, you know.
Yeah, it's like.
It's $10.
I'm poor.
Even I managed to buy it, and I'm very poor. I had to buy it on a loan with Anissa.
All my money's going to my
ready for
stupid
this?
tuition.
Same.
Ready?
Oh god, you're gonna like give me motion sickness.
I'll catch you. Yeet.
Can you put a balloon on my chair
What
again?
happened?
She threw me.
Wait, are you a skeleton?
Excuse me, why am I clipping through the map?
Look at that bony ass.
It's true. It's true. I don't have much of an ass.
He's so
Okay, this is Felicia abuse. Yeet.
What have you done?
You should do what you did yesterday and throw me on a chair with a balloon. That's a tank. I think we're still recording, so we can watch this lovely experience all over again on YouTube. I don't remember our YouTube name, but it's socket. But we do remember socket iron and sock. All right, now attach a balloon.
Ready?
Yeet.
Bye. I want to know what that looks like.
You could just.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna watch the instant replay.
What if I made a fridge?
You want to fly away on the fridge?
Can I fly away on a fridge, please?
Just get the spawn the tower the fridge tower. Spawn the fridge tower for a second.
What?
Spawn the fridge tower for a second.
1 second. My dupes. Isn't a dupe a drug? Okay, so can I just climb up to the top of that and you'll fly me away on this?
You want me to fly you on that?
Yes.
Sure.
I like my seat.
I don't know if it'll work, but let's find out. You gotta get a lot of
Oh, that's my work paper. I forgot to hand in. I have to get that to Kyle tomorrow. Molly is like supervisor and she forgot, so like.
I can't reach all of these, so I don't know if it'll work.
Was that a message for me or you?
That was me. Cripple's messaging me again. In Spanish, so.
Espanol?
Espanol, she sort of speaks it. I'm learning Portuguese. And there's not much
Brazil isn't a language, Felicia.
There's not much in my drink, so I don't know why, like, I think I'm just really...
Want electrolytes?
Fuck that. I got vitamin C.
More like vitamin B.
Mm-hmm. Excuse me, why am I not moving?
Because I can't do this.
Can you just set it off?
No, because it's all stuck to the ground. Let me just do the one fridge. Hold on.
Fine.
Stop.
I can only make 2.
Wait, put 1. That's all I need.
This is fucking ridiculous.
Take things down. Oh, good position. Okay, get rid of. Wait. Oh shit, never mind. Get rid of everything. Get rid of everything. Spawn another one.
I didn't save the Hatsune Miku like I wanted to.
I showed you how to do it.
I lost it by that point.
The anime waifu?
No.
Even though she's not an anime?
Everyone thinks she's a fucking anime. Like, I don't want your achievements. I don't want your love. I don't want anything.
Jeez. Can I get a little?
A what?
What?
A what?
Huh?
What did you say?
¿Por qué?
What did she say?
¿Qué?
Can you get a little what?
¿Qué?
Wait.
¿Nani?
I don't know what you said. What did you say?
Shit.
Okay, that's.
What did she say? Did you ask for a little love? Because I mean, that's a possibility.
Did I bring my charger?
So this man's taking a shit.
My charger's over there if you need it.
Oh, thank you.
Wait, you have an iPhone, right? Yeah.
Can we move the terrorist? Does the terrorist truck move?
It'll probably reach her bed.
Anissa, does the terrorist truck move? Or is it stable?
No, it's stationary.
God damn it. God. Ding and dang it. I wanted to ride in the terrorist truck.
I'm concerned for you.
Alright, sit down.
What are you?
Where?
On the fridge.
I like how...
No one will message you as you're gonna message. Ready?
my face! My fucking face!
You look so excited.
Not enough. Moron.
This isn't an accurate representation of how I am. The skeleton is me.
Ready?
You see, the bones represent how I'm constantly dying inside. The smile represents how I'm faking it 90% of the time.
So philosophical.
So they just pop? I flew too close to the sun and my wings melted.
You're not talking to your follower, your viewers on Twitch.
Is there somebody there?
Yeah.
Who is there?
Hello.
Who could it be?
Bye, soy. Hello, gaming beast. 233. Helling. I'm doing fucking fantastic. There's a little bit of a lag, so by the time you hear this, like, it doesn't matter. But nice to meet you.
Are you frozen up there?
Yeah. You told me to chat with my followers.
I know, but like, you're frozen on Twitch, so.
No.
Is it frozen?
Hey,
Sadia, this is her message to you. Oh, no,
Sadia?
that's good.
Hey.
Can I get out here?
Hi, gaming beast. And I gotta get out of here because y'all streaming still. And I'm
Wait, why am I
Not that way.
up here? Anissa, I'm stuck.
Get out of the chair.
I did. Help. Oh.
Would you like some bleach? I can pour
here
you
we
a glass.
Sign me the fuck up.
This sounds like you breaking your bones. AKA your
When
body.
did you choose to be a skeleton?
Look at her face. Look at the mouth of it.
Yeah, I'm not very gaming beast 233. I'm very new to gmod. I'm probably not the most sober, and this is
Is
just.
that Anissa?
And my roommate's just here to make fun. I just spawned a terrorist on top of my head.
Where's the truck? Where's the truck? What did you do? Where's the other truck?
What the fuck?
Why are there two terrorists here? I feel uncomfortable.
Why did you get the problem?
I don't feel comfortable here.
You spawned a lot of things.
I don't remember. I'm feeling pretty good though. There's 4 people watching this shitty stream, and I got a message from Hannah. Ask Hannah what she wants because she lives in the other room. Hannah, what would you like?
What the fuck?
Hannah, what is she? She's sorry for interrupting the stream, but what do you want? Go find out what she wants. She literally. It's fine. What does she want? Oh, is she apologizing for it? That's fine. It's fine. It's okay.
Wait.
Tell Hannah it's a-okay. It's a-okay.
Wait, who's small going home?
That's you.
Oh, that's me?
What is
Wait,
this?
when did I shout you out? Oh, that, okay.
Press E. What the? Okay. We're in for a treat here. I think. Yes. Is it doing something for you? Because I don't see shit. Oh my good God, that's not appropriate.
Oh my good God, damn.
I think I'm gonna get banned off Twitch for this. That was a little bit of a new. It was a little bit of a new ditty.
Wait, what?
That was some, I think, borderline lowly anime stuff.
Don't
I didn't know what was gonna be there.
Felicia.
And now you know.
Why are you exposing the little children to these?
I have my stream set to mature audiences only, but you're still not supposed to show nudity.
How did that even happen?
I'm sorry, gaming beast. I'm sorry.
Gosh, Felicia.
I did not mean to do that.
She meant it, guys.
Yeah, okay. I didn't look at the preview. I just saw Weirdest Movie Over. I didn't know what that was. I thought that was Hatsune Miku in clothing. I did not know what that was.
Nope.
We're just gonna... nope. That was not my intention to spawn that again. There's a error truck. Yeah, no. A rover. Why does it keep spawning the thing I did before and then it would... I froze. If you could see the look on my roommate's face, I would turn the camera, but the camera's attached to my laptop, so it's just not gonna happen. But can you? Why? Why would you? Can I ride this? Can it move? You know what? You're having way too much fun.
Will you look at me? Look at me for a second. Will you look at me for a second?
What?
Will you look at me? Just turn your towards me for a second.
What the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with you? You come into my home, you play gmod with me, and you kill me.
I told Hannah she's good.
Yeah, she's good. This is the ultimate.
Did you just kill her?
Yeah.
This is the ultimate betrayal right here.
Top 10 anime betrayals.
That's gonna be the title. Oh, my thing is running low. My battery. Gotta plug that in. I don't know. It was like a couple something or others, but like we're cool. Can I go behind door number 5? Bye. Is this where your house is?
Yeah.
It's cute. What if I ruined it with everything I could find?
Well, my house isn't there. It's just online.
There's a waifu, but I know I don't have the skin for her.
You can pull that board all the way over there. I think I'll reach.
Explosions. That's not what I want.
Oh my goodness.
Holy, Anissa.
Wait, I got you.
It says explosions. Why is it? Is there something I have to press? Or is it just there to taunt me? Okay, get out of it. Boy, howdy, that was cool. Might have to fill up some more.
No, you're already drunk.
I'm not drunk.
Your eyes are squinting. You're drunk.
Dude, that's how you know I'm drunk?
Yes.
That's my tired face.
No, it's not.
Squinty-eyed. That sounds a little racist. Sounds just a little bit.
You're the one that said it. So.
Dang, girl, you are drunk AF. He's only 17. Well, I'm only 20, so like that's chill. Don't drink. Don't drink, kid.
Why are you giving life advice?
Because I'm a do as I say, not what I do type of person. But yeah, we are a lot of. I meant like a lot, like the number, like. Never mind. Okay, anyways, we were a bunch of 20-year-olds just chilling. So that's
Split by your head.
What other a lot is there?
I meant like like how like in like England English they say you lot. I was gonna like go for that, but like
Oh, you lot?
you lot.
I can't do that.
Oh man. Boy howdy, it's a rough life. Let's see. What are we making? Can I get banned for like being not sober on Twitch? Like it's can you
Why do you always press one and one? Just spawn one, Felicia. Just one.
there's only one thing.
You spawned one. Why are you spawning something so big in this area?
She wants to go on the ride.
You're not gonna get far.
Let's try it anyway.
You joined in, Anissa.
How do we do this?
The same way you did last time.
Was it 5 and 8?
Yeah. Press 5 again.
5, 8. I think it's stuck. Are we clipped onto the... Can you make a roller coaster, Anissa? You can't yeet here. You can't yeet here. You just can't.
Yeet here.
As if that's a fucking... Okay. There's a tree. That's it always spawns the last thing I did.
A tree.
Vroom vroom, I'm in me mom's car. I don't know what the fuck is it called.
Yeah.
George, up the ground, don't watch out for that tree. It's not moving.
WASD.
Oh.
Are you trying?
Nisa, you threw me into the water. Get me out. Get me out. Hello. Hello, friend. Sorry I didn't respond directly to your messages, but you're fine. I was looking the other fucking way. What kind of jelly beans? The good part or the bad? Are they jelly belly? Yes, hook me up. Hook me up. See, I have people are watching our shenanigans.
Oh, so they just watching and do jelly beans?
Gaming Beast 233 is watching us, as well as a fourth viewer.
Hi! Tell us apart.
They can hear your voice, I'm sure. There's a am I gonna get a DUI for this? Please don't put me back in the water, I beg of you. Okay, I'm done with this shit. Anissa.
Yeah?
Hep.
Ow. You know what game I actually had?
Right? When you accidentally drop a pirate ship on your roof.
Yeah, that's any game mode. And the only thing is Mario Kart, well, he didn't smash it. Add Mario Kart to the mix.
This is a good time.
And you can do two.
What are you...
Anissa's breaking things.
Stop breaking things.
I can't. I broke the sound barrier. I mean, you bad person. You look like an old man ready to, like, shoot someone.
Get off my lawn.
The starter shit.
There's shit coming out from
I just broke it.
The coffin mobile. Can you stop?
My kind of car.
Hello, ladies. My ride has arrived.
What you say?
Oh, it's just like
That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need. You decided this. What you say? What did she say?
Alright. You're welcome. Okay. Should say that to my grades. This, you need this phone.